Hello there, Stephanie here from my Prints collection, the place where you will find lettering and illustration tutorials. In this tutorial, we're going to create a Mandala Paper Cut Effect using the Mandala Set. The link will be in the description below, as well as a sample of this set if you want to try it out. If you like this kind of tutorials, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like and share this video. So without further ado, let's jump into this tutorial. The materials that I'm using are the iPad Pro 12.9 inches, the Apple Pencil, and the software is called Procreate, which is available in the App Store. I'm going to open the Procreate app. I'm using a screen size Canva. You can use any size that you want. And the colors that I'll be using are these ones. I will go through the values as we progress in this tutorial. So first of all, I'm going to set up my background. I'm going to make sure that I have a new layer added. I'm going to tap hold to select this color. And the values for this color are DF, DA, D0. Tap, hold, and drag to fill my background. And on top of this one, I'm gonna add a new layer. Now I'm gonna select the color Pure Black, and I'm gonna choose a stamp from the collection. I'm gonna go with this one over here, and I'm gonna tap to stamp. I'm gonna select to make sure that I center this, and there you go. So when you see this line and this line, this is perfectly centered. And to create the paper effect, I'm gonna have kind of an overlays of paper. So this will be at the bottom, top, and the very top, this one. So we have this created. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna duplicate this layer as a safety and turn this one off. And we are gonna start erasing. So this one over here, we will fill out with the entire color. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna duplicate this one, unselect this one, and with an eraser tool, I'm gonna go with a medium hard blend from the airbrushing. It's a default brush. I'm gonna start erasing these bits over here. So I'm gonna increase so that you can see. I'm gonna actually decrease the size of this brush a little bit and gently erase these bits over here. Okay, and I'm gonna erase these bits over here, and I'm gonna speed up the process and get back to you for the next step. Okay, now that we are done, what we are gonna do is duplicate this layer, turn this one off, and now repeat the process, but this time I'm gonna delete these bits over here and leave these ones as well. So I'm gonna again speed up the video. We are done. We are gonna repeat this process one more time. So duplicate this layer, turn this one off, and this time, this is the final one, I'm gonna erase this bit over here and leave this bit over here. So again, I'm gonna speed up the video. And there we go, we have our final design over here. So I'm gonna turn all my layers back on. And I'm gonna drag this last one to the very top. Okay, and now we are gonna start with the bottom. So let me turn these ones so you can see. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fill this entire design with one color, and then I will progress to other colors. So let's go with this color over here. The values for this color are 044170. Just a quick note, in my next video from this series, I'm going to show you 3 ways to color your mandala. So one of my favorite ones is to tap, hold and drag to fill the color, and click this option over here, refilling, and move it to here. The cool thing about this is I can just tap and fill this with this color over here. So like this. And there we go, we have this bit done. So I'm gonna move to my other layer, the layer above. So it's gonna be, I'm gonna paint with this color over here and this bit over here. So let's select this color, and the values for this color are 5C87B0, and I'm gonna use the same techniques, fill, and I'm gonna speed up the process, just make sure this is in place, and fill this with this color. Okay, now we are gonna do with this bit over here. So I'm gonna select this color over here, and the values are A8BED1. So go to this layer over here, select it, fill, and continue filling. Okay, and now my final layer, this one over here, gonna turn it on, and I'm gonna select this color over here. The values for this color are CFB5B0, tap, hold, and we don't want this to happen, so tap, hold, and continue filling with this color over here. Okay, now that we have our mandala with this color fill out with the colors, what I'm gonna do is do the paper cut effect. So I'm just gonna turn this one off, which is just my outline of my mandala. I'm gonna go to this one over here, duplicate, with 2 fingers, swipe to the right, and now I'm gonna select the color pure black, go back to my layers and click fill layer. And what this does is it fills this bit over here with black. I'm gonna, with 2 fingers, unselect this, go to my Gaussian blur, adjustments, Gaussian blur, and I'm gonna increase around 5.5%. Okay, and I'm gonna do the same with this layer over here, duplicate it, select and fill layer, unselect, motion, go to my adjustments, Gaussian blur, and 5.5%. Okay, go to this layer over here, duplicate and do the same, lock it, fill with black, unlock it, go to my adjustments, Gaussian blur, and 5.5%. And the final layer, this one, duplicate it, 2 fingers to lock, and click on it, fill layer, unlock it, just turn this on, go to my adjustments, Gaussian blur, layer 5.5%. You can go higher or lower, it's really up to you. And there we go. As you can see, we have this paper cut effect over here. And we are done. We have created the Mandala Paper Cut Effect using the Mandala Set. If you want to check this set out, the link will be in the description, as well as a sample if you want to check this set out. If you think that this tutorial was useful, please like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe so that you can be notified when a new tutorial is published. If you decide to try this tutorial and share it on social media, make sure to tag me so that I can send you some love. Thank you so much for watching, and until the next video, happy drills and illustrations!